Good morning, traders, and welcome to the daily call today, Tuesday, the 25th of February. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, let's have a look at what's happened overnight. The only data itself came from Europe, where we saw the German IFO business climate number come in at 96.1. That was better than expected. It did help the euro rise a bit on that front. However, yesterday's news was all about the coronavirus pandemic and the global spread. The markets, as particularly the equity markets, crashed significantly yesterday, and the most impacted currency was the US yen. So that was all yesterday, amongst fears of the virus spreading further into globally to say, with Italy itself registering an increase in number of cases. So that was everything that happened in yesterday's markets. Time to look at our chart of the day. Incidentally, the chart that I showed you yesterday did pull back, but it didn't give us the setup for a trigger. So unfortunate. I always get an email from one or two people saying, how come you're not taking the trade at the levels? I explained that in yesterday's um, daily call, so not to worry, we didn't jump on that. This morning, I have the Kiwi Swiss on a daily timescale. Now, after I drew this up and I prepared it, I noticed that the blue candle here is actually ever so slightly lower than this one over here, which in theory means that that is not an inside candle and is not a setup. However, it is so close. I'll leave it up to you. The level seems pretty strong. We can see that over here we've had support. We've had support again. We are there again now. Let's see. Look, for me, it's close enough, so I'm going to be on board this one. All I'm waiting for is the break of that candle there, and that's my trigger into the trade. The little small candle, that's this morning's candle, and it's about 40 minutes into formation. So this morning, our chart of the day is the Kiwi Swiss on a daily time scale. All right, what's on the agenda for the session which is about to kick off? Not much news this week actually, but the only data that comes out today happens after midnight at 2 o'clock in the morning from the US, and it is the consumer confidence number. Guys, that wraps up today's session. As always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you'll have a fantastic trading day. I'll speak to you tomorrow for the daily call. Bye for now.